in addition to losing the education services, look across the board at the job losses. Those are going to be job losses that are going to impact education, they're going to impact our criminal justice system, they're going to impact our mental health system. These are going to be services that our people are going to lose. But we're going to lose jobs and put more people on unemployment. And when we put more people on unemployment, that costs the state in terms of income taxes. It means that people are going to default on more of their mortgages. We're going to see more foreclosures. These people are not going to have money to be able to buy commercial goods, support our businesses. It's a ripple effect. You're losing services. You're putting people on the unemployment rolls. You're causing more economic downturn in some of the segments of our economy that are trying to recover. And all for what? All for what? The principle of having smaller government that doesn't do the core values that we in North Carolina have cared about. And I've been handed the quarter again. And for this much a day, we can avoid this.
And with regard to your question about teachers, I note that Mr. Lewis from one of the teacher organizations is here, and they've been working hard to try to come up with good estimates on the loss of teachers under this budget, and I'm sure he would be available to talk with you after. Any other member of the House want to say something? Representative Cuban.
Thank you. The gentleman over there asked in the back the question about, and you asked, how's it going to affect you? And money's not the answer. We can't keep throwing money at it. But let me tell you how it affects a teacher. Not only have they not had a raise in 3 years, they are being completely demoralized by this lack of attention to education, or this lack of support of education. They may have their jobs, but they're losing all the support personnel. Their students' lives are in turmoil. So I just wish we'd quit saying something about throwing money at the problem is not the answer. Money is important.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Good job.